Good morning students. Welcome back to our science class. Today we are going to continue the same chapter, chapter 7, staying safe. Today's first point is safety at school. Number 1. Do not get into or get off a moving bus. Whenever we are entering or exit from a bus, we make sure that it is not running or moving. Always stand in a queue. When my turn is coming or your turn is coming, then you will get into or get off from the bus. And do not push each other. Somebody might fall and get hurt. Don't push each other while you are standing in a queue. Understood? Next point. Do not run down the staircase or push each others while standing on the staircase. It's very simple, quite natural. Don't push each other while you are standing in a staircase because you may fall and get severely injured. Understand? Third point. Do not rush through a gate to enter or get out of your school. The school main gate. Don't rush through the gate whenever you are entering the school or exit from the school because you may hit the gate and get hurt. Understand? Next point is do not climb on or run around the furniture in the classroom. Don't play in the classroom. Okay? Because it may hurt you. Number 5. Do not hit anyone or throw things at others. This is very bad manners to throw things others. Anything. Don't throw anything to the others. Understand? Our next point is safety in parks and playgrounds. That is your favorite place, right? Number 1. Be careful while playing in a park or playground because it's having wire fencing. Keep distance from the wire fencing because it may harm you. Understand? Second point. Do not run on an uneven ground because you may fall down and got injured. Understand? Number 3. Do not play games like hide and seek in a dark, lonely places. Why? Because harmful insects hide in such places, dark, lonely places. There are so many harmful insects are there. So they can sting you and you get injured very badly. Okay? Now students, we are coming at the last part of our chapter. The topic is first aid. What is first aid? The first aid is the immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. Understand? There are some tips for the first aid that we should follow. What are they? Number 1. Do not panic and keep calm. When an injured person is got injured and we are doing his or her first aid, don't panic. Just keep cool and calm. Number 2. In case of small cut or light wounds, clean the wound part with an antiseptic lotion and then apply antiseptic cream on that particular wound place. Understand? Now third point, if bleeding does not stop, tie a bandage or a clean cloth loosely over the wound. Understand? If the bleeding doesn't stop, tie a clean cloth or a bandage loosely over the wound part. Keep the bleeding part of the body raised. Understand? Next point, Make the person lie down or sit in a relaxed position. Okay. Number 5. If a person faints, do not crowd around him. When the person got senseless, please don't crowd around him. Allow him to breathe in fresh air. Last point, call a doctor or an adult immediately. Okay. So students, this is the complete explanation of chapter 7, Staying Safe. Please go through the chapter line by line. I hope this audio video will help you to make you understand. For the time being, stay home, be safe. Thank you.